Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to show you how to install Python on Windows 11. Let's start with the video. First of all, go to the web browser, type Python, press enter. Here official website will be visible, click on this. After reaching the official website, keep the mouse cursor on the downloads menu. Here the current version of the Python will be visible, which is Python 3.14.3. Now to download the current version of the Python, click on it. And here you can see the download has started, so wait for a few seconds. Once it has downloaded successfully, now right click on this file, click on open, minimize this window. Here you can see the setup has started. First select the use admin privileges and then select add Python to path. Now click on customize installation. Here you have to make sure that these checkboxes are selected. Now click on next. Here in advanced option, select install Python for all users. So this is the location where your Python will be installed. Here you can see by default C drive is selected. So now click on install. Now the setup has started. Wait for a few seconds. Our setup has installed successfully. Click on close. Now let us verify the installation. So click on the start menu. Type cmd. Click on this. Now type the command python --version. Press enter. Here you can see the Python version is visible. It means we have successfully installed Python. Now close this window. Click on the start menu and type ideal. Click on this. We will use this to run our first Python program. So I will type something using the print method. So type print. I will write my name. Press enter. Here you can see it display the output, which is my name. You can write anything which you want to print. After that you can go to the file and click on save as to save the file. Here you can choose the location where you want to save it. Just like I want to save it on desktop, so I will select desktop from here. After that write the name of the file, just like I will write demo. Here you can see python files.py is already selected because this is a Python file. After that click on save. Minimize it. Here you can see our Python file is visible on our desktop. So guys, in this video we saw how to install Python on Windows 11. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.